Europe has just crossed a monumental threshold in the world of technology, and it's a game changer. With the launch of Jupiter, Europe officially joins the elite club of exascale supercomputing nations, marking a historic leap in its technological capabilities. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Jupiter isn't just powerful, it's also a pioneer in sustainability, setting a new standard for how we think about high-performance computing and its environmental impact. Unveiled by Commissioner Zahareva and German Chancellor Friedrich Merz at Forschungszentrum Jülich in Germany, Jupiter is the first European supercomputer to surpass the exascale barrier, performing a mind-boggling 1 quintillion, 10 to the 18th operations per second. To put that into perspective, it's like harnessing the computing power of 1 million modern smartphones, all in one machine. This achievement doesn't just put Europe on the global map of high-performance computing. It positions the continent as a leader in innovation and sustainability. Ranked as Europe's most powerful supercomputer and the fourth fastest in the world, Jupiter is a marvel of engineering. But what truly sets it apart is its commitment to sustainability. Powered entirely by renewable energy and equipped with state-of-the-art cooling and energy reuse systems, Jupiter has earned the top spot on the Green 500 ranking, making it the world's most energy-efficient supercomputer module. And this is the part most people miss. Its design isn't just about reducing environmental impact. It's about redefining what's possible in sustainable technology. With its unprecedented computing power, Jupiter is poised to revolutionize fields like climate science, artificial intelligence, and policymaking. Researchers can now run climate and weather models at kilometer-scale resolution, enabling more accurate predictions of extreme events like heat waves, storms, and floods. This isn't just about better forecasts. It's about saving lives and mitigating the impacts of climate change. But here's where it gets controversial. Jupiter's role in AI development. As the backbone of the future AI factory, JF, announced in March 2025, it will train cutting-edge large language models, LLMs, for generative AI and next-generation digital technologies. While this promises to drive innovation, it also raises questions about the ethical implications of AI and its societal impact. Are we prepared for the advancements and challenges that come with such powerful tools? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Jupiter represents a €500 million joint investment by the EU and Germany. Channeled through the Euro-HPC joint undertaking, it's a key component of Europe's broader strategy to establish a network of AI gigafactories, large-scale, energy-efficient computing hubs dedicated to training and deploying frontier AI models. This initiative isn't just about keeping up with global competitors, it's about setting the pace for the future of AI. The Euro-HPC joint undertaking has already selected 13 proposals to establish AI factories across Europe, bringing together the essential elements for AI success: computing power, data, and talent. These factories will provide startups, industries, and researchers with the resources they need to develop advanced AI models. From European large language models to specialized vertical AI models tailored to specific sectors. On 30th of June 2025, the Commission announced an overwhelming response to the European AI Gigafactories initiative, with 76 expressions of interest from 16 member states. Building on the AI factories concept, AI Gigafactories will leverage Europe's cutting-edge Euro-HPC supercomputing network to realize the EU's ambition of becoming the world's leading AI continent. These state-of-the-art facilities will develop, train, and deploy next-generation AI models at hyperscale, integrating vast computing power, energy-efficient data centers, and AI-driven automation to set new benchmarks in the field. As Europe embarks on this ambitious journey, one thing is clear: Jupiter isn't just a supercomputer. It's a symbol of what's possible when innovation, sustainability, and collaboration come together. But as we celebrate this achievement, we must also ask ourselves, what does this mean for the future of technology, ethics, and society? Share your thoughts below. We're eager to hear your perspective.